Hi, it's Mark here from Feetology Podiatry Centre, and today I just want to run through how to tape a toe for a plantar plate tear or a problem with your toe joint. In this case, we've got Bridie volunteering her foot, and we're going to work on that second toe joint and work on taping that to protect the plantar plate. So to do that, we need some tape. I've got two different choices of tape here. The first one is just your regular rigid sports strapping tape. This is 2.5 centimeters wide, which is one of the more common sizes. You need about 8 to 10 centimeters of tape. This is actually too wide for the application that we need, so we actually have to come and, we need to put a little nick in the middle of the tape, and then that'll allow us to get in and tear that tape. So we've got two pieces the size that we want. So that's strapping tape. Now, the other type of tape we have here is a tape called Hyperfix, and that's the one I tend to use with my patients. It's a little bit kinder on the skin, it breathes a little bit better, and when we're doing this kind of taping, you're leaving it on the foot for a period of time. So again, we want about 10 centimeters. Each of these squares is a centimeter, so we're up around that area there. And the tape is far too wide for what we want, so we need to come and cut it, and we'll get 3 pieces out of this. So now we've got our tape prepared, we're going to get in and actually apply it to the toe. So what we want to be doing with Bridie's toe is we want to be stabilising it. We want to prevent it from going up into this position here, which puts stress on that plantar plate and causes pain. So what we're going to do is we are going to come and pop our first piece of tape on. So I've just taken the backing off that. We're going to come between the toes. We just hook over, and Bridie's got a nice joint there. We're sitting behind that first joint, and we pull down, and so do you want to come around, Nisha? So we've hooked it over the top, we pull down and just relax there, Bridie, and across. And we can see it's pulling that toe down and it's pulling it out a little bit as well. And that's important because your toe may not be sitting nice and straight, it might be sitting to one side, so you can use that tape to straighten it up. And now we're going to come and do a second piece of tape. So we're going to grab the second one. We're just going to go the opposite way. So now we just need to work that tape in between the second and third toes. And I'm just moving that backwards and forwards. There's a bit of overlap on top. We're hooking. And if you just come around there, Nisha, we're going to pull that down and across. And if you've got a good imagination there, you can see that that's looking like the breast cancer symbol. We've got that loop coming around the toe. So that's going to prevent that tape from that toe from flexing up too much and take some pressure. With the Hyperfix tape, we do have one little piece left. So we can just use that just to tidy up our loose ends, and we'll just pop it across and help to anchor things down. And that's the plantar plate taping. Just make sure when you're doing it, you're getting enough tension. That one's possibly just a little bit loose. Bridie was helping me with the holding her foot up and helping me get that on there. It's probably just a little bit too loose, so do get that pressure down so that toe is nice and stable. Thank you.